today we are going to continue on with our motorcycle build. And I think this is going to be part 4. We're going to work on the oil plug. I have an oil plug that's stuck into the crankcase. So I'm going to try to get that out today. And I'm going to work on the cylinders and the heads. Just try to get those cleaned up. Maybe get some of the paint off of them. Inspect the heads a little bit. And that's going to be the project for today.
Okay. 今日のプロジェクトはシリンダーをきれいにすることです。
Yeah.
Yes. Just a very short.
Yeah, pretty short. So stay tuned, see how we do, and yeah.
Enjoy watching the video.
Yeah. Okay. Hi.
Hi.
Okay. Thanks for watching. Yeah, it was just real quick, just kind of going to share kind of every step along the way here with this whole thing. So, yeah, I think that today we got rid of a bolt that I couldn't get out. I've been trying to get out for about a week now. Got it out today and cleaned up the cylinders a little bit, and that's it. So stay tuned for the next episode. Right?
Okay, so 今日の仕事は終わりです。一つずつ細かいことですけどビデオに撮っていきたいと思ってます。今日はネジが取れなかった1週間取れなかったのを今日やっと取れてほっとしています。 Everything good.
Okay. Well, thanks for watching.
Thank you.
We'll see you next
また。
time.